Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Zion Analysis. Thank you so much for your continued support always. I don't take it for granted. Kenyans, are you aware of what is now going on? Indeed, it is a sad story that comes next year. You must prepare, you as a parent, to pay for your exam fee to your children. In other words, UDA administration has scrapped the UHURU Kenyatta's financial education fee that is worth 5 billion, which during UHURU Kenyatta's time, its government used to spend to ensure that education is free and parents don't pay for exam fee. And according to Saturday Nation, RUTO scraps UHURU 5 billion exam fee waiver. It's scrap. You can see RUTO, UHURU, they are watching or staring at each other. Then as I tried to zoom what is written down below, it is well written. Parents will from next year pay national examination fees for millions of children, running to end the relief that candidates in primary and secondary schools have enjoyed for 10 years in new model targeting to only help needy students. I like that. In fact, the sad story of this is to help needy students. Now, RUTO's administration is now becoming too much. As much as most of politicians, the musician, and other leaders praise this government, they are praising it at the wrong side. Because you cannot tell me UHURU Kenyatta tried to ensure that parents of this nation don't suffer on paying the examination fee, regardless in the background you are coming from, whether poor or rich. He made Kenyans' parents to be equal, that each and every son of this nation not to pay examination fee. But according to RUTO, he has seen it as something making him to be poor. He has seen it as something making him to be poor. And now that 5 billion is enough for him to take it and use it on another project, but not considering the education of this nation. So is this the person you are saying that is a good president? Yet the nation, the Saturday Nation, is exposing RUTO's characteristic for sure. Hata kama ingekuwa mimi, singefanyia wananchi wazazi kwa hii taifa letu la Kenya namna hii. Alafu wengi wenu mkishapewa pesa kidogo, you change your voice. Now you are saying RUTO is good. You know, the moment you pamper someone, the moment you pamper as someone who has sinned, is when you are now making him horror to continue sinning. Ni kama upate mwizi ameiba. Instead of telling huyo mwizi wacha kuiba, nitakuchukulia hatua, wewe unamwambia, hey, you are good, you used to be good, you used to be nice, and you are still okay, we appreciate you. The end result, atakuja kukuiba wewe mwenyewe. The end result, akuue na akuibe vizuri. Kwa sababu au kuwa na ile akili ya mwambia wewe wacha mwizi, wewe nitakuchukulia hatua. Sasa tukirudi kwa hii fee scrap, 5 billion RUTO anataka kutoa ili wanafunzi waanze kulipa hiyo examination fee. Yet Uhuru survived with our parents 10 good years. During that time, William RUTO was the deputy president. And I can recall very well, there was some occasion Uhuru Kenyatta used to have, even to extend even his feeling to parents to pay even a little amount of fee. Now, by the way, after hii fee ya secondary, it was Uhuru Kenyatta's legacy, because he had this method to bring free education from primary to secondary school, then university walipe kidogo. Bado tunaifuata. Mmoja kitambo sisi tulikuwa tunasoma na 30,000, 20 something thousand, hata kama unatoka kwa poor background. Lakini Uhuru aliona hii ni kuumiza mtu. Wacha tukae chini. During the late Professor George Magoha, that team, and Matiang'i, who is now vying for the president, they're the one who brought this. Now Ruto is not even bothered. This is the person who suffered. By the way, Ruto alisuffer kabisa, hata alisuffer kunishinda hata. But it's the person who suffered. Enyewe watu usahau penye wametoka. Saa hii nilikuwa namsikiza akiongea Kibira. Mimi nasema ukweli. Mimi ni mtu wa ukweli. Because after all, you will do me nothing. We will all die in this world. Lakini sasa ikifika kwa mambo ya kuscrap fee, you are now making even me a parent. I feel that page. I know, because I've paid school fee. I know the pain parents always goes through when paying that school fee. And we are still paying that school fee. When you've been sent for school fee arrears, you will be shocked. Tena uongezewe tabu ingine. Na serikali walishaamua tusilipe mtihani. Sasa wewe unaona hii pesa ni mingi sana, wacha nichukue nifanye nayo campaign. Sasa after that campaign utarudisha. You want Kenyans to kneel down to beg you, which they cannot do. You are elected by Kenyans and you will be removed by Kenyans if you started this mediocrity. You must now follow up Uhuru Kenyatta's footsteps. You must now behave as a leader. You must now behave as someone who suffered in some years back. And now, because you've been uplifted through God's grace, you are not supposed to torment parents of this nation mentality. In fact, hapo sasa umeguza pali pabaya. Ushadhulumia wazazi, ushadhulumia watoto. Watoto wameandamana, mmemwaga damu ya bure. Watu wameandamana, mmeua watu, mmeabduct watu, mmeiba watu, na bado mnaongeza mambo ya school fee hapa. Ati mnasema sasa wazazi wasilipe au waanze kulipa exam fee. As if this government was just elected to enrich itself. This is wrong, Your Excellency. It is wrong. As much as we sometimes agree in a political room, but this time I disagree. It is wrong. It is wrong. Just do it as you are building housing project, as you said. You are making this parent of this nation even to curse you because of your administration. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what is happening, as you must prepare for this shocking message. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much. More shall come. And prepare, as I told you. I know that I'm discouraging you not to vote for RUTO, whichever, because with me, I'm on my own word. Remember, if you vote this government again, the same thing, in fact, might be worst. Might be worst. I'm telling you for free.